and welcome to my channel. On today's video, what we're going to be looking at are fidgets that are best for Easter. So let's get into it. Actually, before I get into it, can we please like, subscribe, and share this channel with a friend? Thanks. All right, I'm going to start with the one I have not opened yet. This is a chick squishy. I think I spent like $2.50 on it. It's super cute and super perfect for Easter / spring. Next, we have this chicken. Definitely gives me spring vibes for sure. It's a chicken or a hen PB&J, and it has like the yellow Orbeez, which we love. Next is this adorable bunny poppet, and it's tie-dye. Has pretty good pops, I'd say. Okay, perfect. Next, we have these cute little chicks. I got these from the dollar store. I got one in yellow and one in blue, of course. All right, moving on. I have another poppet. I believe this is supposed to be a carrot. It's a Top Trends poppet, so it has pretty good pops. Now we're moving on to, we have these super cute squishy bunnies that I got from fidgettoyplus.com. I have one in orange and one in yellow. Oh, apparently I have a green chicken here too. I don't know where I got this one from. I also have a green chick. No idea what website I got that from. And then, of course, me being me, I found like different, oops, hold on, pause, I'm trying to figure out, okay. So we have these cute squishy like Easter egg Neato things. I got these from, I think, a Learning Express? No, My Sensory Tools, sorry. These are from My Sensory Tools. And then I think this one, I have not opened this. I don't know how good it is, but these ones are from Curious Minds. Oh yeah, these ones are way different of a texture comparison. Like, it doesn't really squish that well. Okay. Let's see if this one squishes better. Okay, this one's a little bit better than this yellow chick. They also come in like this blue and this pink. I might just save these for somebody else because they are not my personal favorites so far. And of course, I have a bunch of these cute little mochis and different animal shapes. So we'll just highlight my favorites from this collection. Oh, the carrot is so cute. Also this little egg, the bunny. We love that bunny's face. We already kind of looked at the chick. Here's a blue bunny, super cute. And a cute flower. I want to say it's a daisy. And then we have a different color Easter egg, pink with like, and he's wearing a bow tie. That's adorable. Out of all of these, I'm gonna say my favorites are this squishy chick, and then the squishy bunny, and the PB&J, as well as the poppets are the winners here. Let me know down below which ones were your favorites, and I will see you next time on my channel. Bye. I did forget a few of my fidgets that are definitely spring themed, so I'm gonna take a minute to show you guys. I also have this cute ladybug squishy, this Chuckle and Roar Easter egg puppet that Target just recently put out. I forgot I had it on my other table, so it wasn't like organized with the rest. I also have this really cute duck sensory fidget, and the Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty, and this one is speckled egg, and it's basically like a white putty with like a rose gold confetti in it. Let's see if I can get it to focus. So yeah, those are all my Easter and spring fidgets that are in my collection currently, and I will keep you guys updated if I have any cool ones.